I'm Renu Singh. Today's topic is demonetization. So, what is demonetization? The answer is demonetization is the act of stripping a currency unit of its status as legal tender. Sometimes a country completely replaces the old currency with new currency. The opposite of demonetization is remonetization, in which a form of payment is restarted as legal tender. On 8 November 2016, the Government of India announced the demonetization of all 500 rupees and 1000 rupees bank notes of the Mahatma Gandhi series. It also announced that issuance of new 500 rupees and 2000 rupees bank notes. Thank you.